In this video, I'm going to show you how to list your property in Agoda. To begin, open any browser on your computer and search for Agoda. From the search results, scroll down and make sure you click on the non-sponsored official link that takes you to Agoda's website. Once you are on the home page, if you do not already have an account, click on the Create Account button located at the top right-hand side of the screen and follow the simple steps to register. If you already have an account, click on Sign In instead and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, look for the option List Your Place at the top of the page. Click on it and a new tab will open that takes you to Agoda Homes. From here, select Listings on the top left-hand side of your screen, then click Add a Listing on the right-hand side. At this stage, if you already have your property listed on other websites like Airbnb or Booking.com, Agoda gives you the option to import it directly. If you prefer to add everything manually, select Create Listing Manually and then click Next. Now you need to select your property type. For this example, we are covering how to list a home type property. Choose the option for home and click Next. Then specify what kind of property it is, such as an apartment, flat, entire house, villa, or another type. If you have additional options like a cabin or guest house, you can include them as well before clicking Next. You will then need to indicate how many units you are listing, whether it is just one or multiple, and move forward. After that, you will be prompted to enter your property details step by step. Start by typing in the full address of your property and click Next. If your property includes amenities such as free Wi-Fi, a swimming pool, or other facilities, you can select those options as well before continuing. You will then enter the number of rooms and beds in your property. To add more bedrooms, click Add a Bedroom and choose the type of bed for each. You can also specify the number of bathrooms and the maximum number of guests allowed. Once this is complete, proceed by clicking Next. On the following page, you must enter your nightly rate. Scroll down and add any discounts if you wish, then select how you prefer to receive your earnings. Click Next again to continue. At this step, upload clear and high-quality photos of your property and click Next once more. You will also be asked to provide a name and description for your listing. After entering this information, proceed by clicking Next. If you are listing your personal house, select Private Host as the host type. Scroll down and fill in your personal information, including nationality, date of birth, residence, and contact details. After completing this, click Next. Finally, check the box to agree to Agoda's terms and conditions and click Publish. Once submitted, Agoda will review your listing. If everything has been entered correctly, your property will be approved and go live within a few days, making it available for bookings. And this is how you can successfully list your property on Agoda.